It is day 12 of me knitting the Care Sweater by the Crayabea, and I unfortunately have to pick up stitches. I hate picking up stitches. Like, I think that's why I love doing raglan sweaters, because I don't have to pick up stitches. My stitches for the sleeves are there. Top down, the collar is already done, so I don't have to pick up stitches at all. But I love the look of drop shoulder. I just hate picking up stitches. Anyway, I'm this far into it, and now I have to do the collar, which means I have to pick up stitches. So let's do that. Honestly, my only goal for today is to get the collar done. To get the collar done, I'm gonna do a folded collar, so I think I'm going to knit like 2.5 or 3 inches and then sew it down, and I'll be good. So let's get that done, and then I'll see if I'll probably pick up stitches for the sleeve just so I can have that done. I don't know if I'll start the sleeve today, but I'll at least pick up the stitches so that if I started today, okay. So that if I started today or if I started tomorrow, the stitches will already be picked up, so I don't have to worry about that. So let's get started. Okay guys, yesterday I finished the collar and that was it, like I said, and after that I just dipped. I didn't even do my outro, but this is it. I sewed the collar down, which is so weird. I'm so used to just doing my collar regular. Anyway, now I have to do my sleeve, which I have to do German short rows, and I'm scared I haven't done that in like 2 years. So yeah, wish me luck, but this is it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. This is day 13 of me knitting on this coat. This is day 13 of, what day is it? Hold on. Okay, I was right. This is day 13. This is day 13 of me knitting on a Care Sweater by the Crayabea, and I'm this far into it. Now I have to unfortunately start the sleeves. Like, I'm excited to be on the sleeves, but I just, stop it. But I just don't want to do German short rows. Like, I really don't want to do it, but I have to, obviously. So my goal, no, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to start the sleeve, knit up until I finish the German short rows. Then I'm gonna stop, then go to this sleeve, knit up until I finish the German short row, so that when it's time to knit tomorrow, I'm done with the German short rows, and all I do is the colorwork section of the sleeve and then knit on down. And the same with this side. So at least I'll get both German short rows on the sleeves done today, so that tomorrow I don't have to worry about it. And I can just zoom with the colorwork, zoom with the stockinette, done. That's my plan. Let's get started. Guys, I finished the German short rows on both sleeves and I feel so good because now I don't have to worry about this at all. Tomorrow, when I pick up my project, all I do is the color work, which is very easy. If I can do the color work on this big circumference, I can easily do it on this circumference. Like, I'm going to zoom, and I'm thinking that I might flip-flop between the sleeves. So I might do the color work on one sleeve, stop, and then do the color work on the other sleeve, stop, and then just continue the stockinette, finish that sleeve off, and then go to the other sleeve and finish it off. So at least I'll be done with the color work. I think that's what I'm gonna do, so that, I don't know, I just feel like it's easier that way for me. And that's just how my brain works. But I'm just so happy I did this today and I didn't just like take it sleeve by sleeve, because just picking up stitches alone is enough to send me crazy. And then having to do German short rows again after I literally did the German short rows, did the color work, finished the sleeve, and then I have to pick up stitches for the other sleeve and then do everything else all over again. No. Yeah, that'll drive me insane. So I'm glad I got that done. That's it for tonight. I am not starting that color work today. I'm saving that for a fresh new day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.